Hi guys, it's your girl. So let me go ahead and unpack this gift here from my best friend. Hold on. Okay. Dinig ba? Kung hindi ay kayo mag-adjust. Yan. Okay. Here, let me unbox it. Tatlong bayan ng magulang ang kailangan. Paggamit niya si Carrots. I might not upload this because I'm shy. Pero this is a gift from my best friend all the way from City of Espanyol. Here, Aqua Flask. I've been eyeing to buy this, but it's too expensive for me. Here, sabay-sabay tayo makita ang itsura. Hindi mo lang titingin ng person. Unboxing ko. Wow! Ang ganda. This is 32 ounce Aqua Flask sports lid. Here. Good grip and handle. May boots na siya kasama. And kulay ano siya, matcha. Here's, yan yung loob. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Kakulay ng kwarto. Kakulay ng kwarto. Ito na yung version 2. May parang handle na dito na hindi siya masyado mahirap pitpitin. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang color nito ay here. Zesty ang color. Color wave zesty here. Here. Ang ganda. Thank you, Bob. Love you.